In this video, I want to show you a new tool which called Replit for building your applications with no code, completely no code. You have to provide your instructions and like what you want to build, what features you want, what kind of animations you want, what kind of screens you want, what kind of feature inside your application and sub level features and sub modules you want. So completely you have to explain in the simple text format in English format, and it will create a build completely free for you. So from many days I was thinking like how Replit works. So let's like build with me, and we'll see how it works. So Replit, you can just see about the Replit, and I already logged in with my Gmail account. It's replit.com. You can see here. Okay, so let's see what this provides. It provides the creative import code design. You can also import your existing code as well, and if you already have built it and you want to modify the design, you can also do that. Okay, we are the home right now. I have already tried this with and created some kind of applications over here. You can see I have tried it with like my past apps, and this is how it had actually built it. And so I have provided the instructions, and it created me a complete applications, and how this actually works, and it also show you what things it is including in your application, right? And it will also show you the progress of instructions and whatever coding it is doing right now. So you can see also it take a lot of time, also what work it has done, what item it has read, what line of code it has changed, and what amount of agent it actually usage. So we have some free tier as well as the credits, and on the basis of that we can also build the complete application. And yeah, it will also provide you the checklist what things it had built it, and it how agent works, right? So you can see I have built a one application which is called secure vault. It has some kind of to-do list, it has the passcode settings. You can in to-do list you can add a to-do like test one, test one. Let's see the priority, low priority, set it at to do. So you can see it's a complete application and working application. So not only the screens, it also build the backend completely as well. So you can see, you can check and uncheck, you can also delete this. Yeah, delete this. So no to do's found. So this is a kind of to do application, as well as you can save the password. This applications I have built it completely with the instructions that I have provided. Okay, so see what instruction I have provided, just a to do and password saver app, right? And looks how great it actually built it. Just 5 lines of like 5 words of instructions I have provided, and how much great like application it has built it completely. You can search your password, you can all category also it has. So it also imagine everything from like its own, right? So even with the 5 words of like prompt, you had built it such kind of great application. Suppose you are creating detailed descriptions, how much good it can build, right? So you can add a password here, you can enter the password something like this. You have like social media password, you can website URL, everything, and passwords are encrypted, everything is encrypted. So everything, every design, everything, settings also it has had it. So setting panel will coming soon. So whatever instruction we can add here, it can implement in the settings. You can have the export data as well, right? So you can see it already exported into a JSON format. Like looks how much easy it is to build an application today world. Okay, so this is the already built application that I have shown you. You can build the console here. You can see the error logs also in the real time. Okay, so whatever we was doing, you can see the like logs as well, whatever we are doing. So you can see APIs to do. So APIs is also created by the Replit only. Okay, so you can upgrade here as well for like detail and so many different level of functionality. But I think in the free version also you can do a lots of stuff if you have the MVP. and if you have to show the demo to someone, right? Okay, so what else we can do? Okay, let's build with me a completely new application. So like for example, let me do, you can create a team here, you can select a theme as well, you can add the profile here. Let's see what so I'm clicking on the create app right now. Okay, okay, so we have to create an app or we have to create a design. So I want to create an app right now. Okay, so for example, I want to build a food delivery app, something like Zomato, and it has the menus, it has the restaurant, it has the um, like food menus and sub menus. It has like order history. It has like everything detail provided. Okay, so I want to build a this kind of application, but I don't want to create a prompt from my own. So go to the ChatGPT. Okay, so with ChatGPT, I will create a prompt, and then that prompt I will pass it to Replit. Okay, go start. Okay, so hey GPT, I want my application to be built by Replit.com, which should have like some kind of feature like it is like food delivery app. The feature should be like menus, sub menus, and the menu items you can add to cart. You should have the order history. You can also check out as a free delivery, and cash on delivery options also should be there. Keep a theme like a darker theme or red or black, you can combine. Also it should have the address history as well managed. You can select your addresses, and it should have the search option where you can search a menus from particular restaurants as well. And you can also have the profile edit options where you can manage your profile. And also you can select or change your account email address and so on. So can you give me the complete prompt for Raplit ready, where I can just share and put the prompt on there and it can start building my application? Thank you. Okay, see, so you can look, we don't have to do many manually anything, like, yeah, it is just write it down whatever I had, put it as a speech. Let's break it down. Okay, so why I am showing each and every steps, that's why, because I want you to build from the starting, not just I am telling you like, yeah, we can build this and this, but actually you can start from the scratch. Okay, so you can see everything. It has built it, the red byte modern food delivery app description, it had it, UX theme, the instruction, it had it, main screens, it has even included the screen level prompt, a proper prompt, cart page, address management, order page, profile page, global search, auth flow, database model. It has also described every, this is called the perfect prompt if you want to build on your own terms, right? Okay, okay, great. What I will do, will just copy it. I will just copy my app name and everything. Okay, so I want to copy this complete prompt. Let's copy it together from the app name, from the detail overview, detail pagings and detail everything, global search, auth flow, database model, restaurants and everything, order, core functionalities, take expectations and goal. Okay, once you paste this in repeat. Okay, so okay, that's it. Just copy and paste here. You can see it is pasted in a proper way in the text format. What I want, start building immediately. Okay, you can also plan your work before building, but yeah, I am start building immediately. Let's click on start and let's see how AI perform their actions. Okay, so before we moving ahead, it will take a lot of time to build. Definitely not a lot of time, but some kind of some minutes, I think, because it has the complete fully functional feature. Okay, now talk about something, right? If you want to build this app and if you will hire any kind of developers right now, how many amount of they will charge to you and how much time it will take? And that complete work you are seeing in front of you, the complete application, You can say I will start by setting up the project structure. So it is setting up the project structure first. You can see each and every steps it will start, like restaurant menu, card order, and requested design, right? So you can see here will be our preview whenever the app will start, and be in the condition to like where we can see some kind of themes and like design of the app. So it is working on it right now. So it takes a couple of minutes to build everything, and then you can also provide some kind of instruction if you want to update anything, just like I have shown you my previous application that I have built it. So that level of design it will create, you can modify easily. And here's the option to directly publish your application, right? So imagine you have an idea, you don't know the code, you just know what features you wanted, and in a couple of minutes you want to deploy your idea to the Play Store and App Store, right? How much good it is. Even if you have to pay some kind of subscription fees and all, but it will worth it if you want to build on your own terms. The only thing you have to think, right, you have to create a different better prompt you want to send, you have to send to create your application completely in your terms, right? So here we can see it has created the client and so on. Okay, so I think for this video, this is for now. And if you want to see the final result, I will upload the upcoming video in my coming series, and there I will show you what is the end result we will get from this prompt, right? For this, please subscribe to our channel and like and share the video, and keep your eye on my next videos. I will definitely be posting the final result of this. So thank you so much.